This is my review of the Kitchellence 4-in-1 3-stage knife sharpening tool. It comes with a glove. Dude, straight up, you basically have to get this. So first of all, you want to put that cut resistant glove on the hand that you're gripping with. It's got nice grips here for your hands. This is the coolest, straight up, this is the coolest thing. It just makes sharpening regular knives in your kitchen for regular people like you and me super easy. It's got 3 stages, 1, 2, 3. You've got the first stage. All you do is you pull back, and that's the preparation stage. So that's going to repair. That's going to repair stuff. The second stage is sharpening. You're just going to pull back. And then the third stage is fine tuning. That's all there is to it. You just pull back a few times in each. And straight up, I can already see, holy, that, yeah. Dude, we've been using this on our knives in our kitchen, and everything is like brand new. Highly recommend this product. You never know, you see all these new things come out, you try different things, you never know what's going to be a hit. This is one of those things that we got and we're like, wow, this has kind of been a game changer. So extremely good value, also extremely easy to use, and man, it makes these knives like new. We've had these knives for a long time and it's just sharpened them right up. Highly recommend this product. I think you're going to love it.